Today we're gonna open something that I was trying to find. A Japanese box of the Black Bolt new set. Let's see how it goes today here. Hope we can find the chase. All right, so first we open the first half of the box. Let's see how it goes. Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice card. Yeah, I hope this is not bad printing, but I don't think so. Okay. Yeah, okay, first hit. Here we go. Oh, nice. Second nice hit. Here we go again. Foil. Yeah, nice one. Third hit. Okay, that's a nice one as well. We're gonna take it. Okay, Genesecti one, it's fine as well. Yeah, so that's the first half of the box, guys. That's all the things we've pulled up from here. Gonna record the next one. Thank you for watching and see you.